happening in this relationship. I'm not. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! I can't even watch it. Okay. Stop! I love you. Can you please?
Can you please stop the car? Please. Ẹ má bínú pé mo bọ́dà yín láti dárúkọ dúró.
It's okay.
The doctor said I should be thanking you for being a good Samaritan. Wọ́n ní gbogbo ìgbà tí mo fi wà ní hospital, pé gbogbo ìgbà ni máa wà lọ́dọ̀ mi.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Ẹ ṣé gan.
You're welcome.
But since tí wọ́n sọ pé mi ò lè rántí nǹkan kan nípa mi, I was wondering bóyá ó ní nǹkan tẹ́lẹ̀ sọ fún mi nípa ara mi, maybe my name, ibi tí mo ti wá, àwọn èèyàn mi, anything.
Má bínú. Ọmọ òótọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé mi ò mẹyẹ tó ṣú ẹ. Mi ò mọ orúkọ ẹ. Mi ò mọ ibi tó ti wá. Mi ò dẹ̀ mẹ́ni kankan mọ́ ẹ. Mo ṣàkíyèsí bíi pé àwọn èèyàn kan ń lépa ẹ̀mí ẹ̀. Ọjọ́ tí mo rí ẹ, ó wà lórí ọ̀kadà ni. Ọlọ́kadà tó gbé ẹ dẹ̀ ń sáré lọ fètè. Bó ṣe ń wo ẹ̀gbẹ́ ọ̀tún, ló ń wo ẹ̀gbẹ́ òsì, ló ń wo ẹ̀yìn pẹ̀lú eré. Ẹ̀yìn tó wò tí ò tètè wo wájú, níwájú tó máa wo wájú, ẹnu tírélà ló kó sí. Ẹni tó wa ọ̀kadà náà dẹ̀ kú lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀. Àwọn èrò bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí pariwo. Kò sẹ́ni tó fẹ́ súnmọ́ ẹ, nítorí àwọn èrò wò pé ìwọ gan àti give up. Mo kàn ń gbọ́ láàrin èrò téèyàn ń pariwo, ọmọ òrukàn ni, ọmọ òrukàn ni. Wọ́n wò pé ṣé ẹni tó mọ̀ ẹ́ wà láàrin èrò yìí ni? Kò sẹ́ni tó rẹ́dì láti súnmọ́ ẹ. Sísúnmọ́ tí mo súnmọ́ ẹ, mo rí pé ó ṣe ń mí kúlekúle díẹ̀díẹ̀. Kò sẹ́ni tó fẹ́ help ẹ. Lèmi ṣe gbé ẹ gbádù ó dóríṣiríṣi hospital. Bí mo ṣe ń gbé ẹ délé ìwòsàn kan sí mi náà ló ń dá ẹ padà, títí tí mo fi gbé ẹ débi tí mo gbé ẹ dé. Wọ́n tọ́jú ẹ. Àwọn dókítà jẹ́ kó yé mi pé amnesia ní nǹkan tó ń ṣe ẹ́. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ní 50-50 ni. Ó ṣeé ṣe kó rántí nǹkan kan nípa ara ẹ̀. Ó dẹ̀ ṣeé ṣe kó má rántí nǹkan kan láì.
Ṣé but ṣé ó ní nǹkan kan tẹ̀lé bóyá bag àbí bóyá cell phone àbí bóyá anything tó jẹ́ pé títí mi tí mo tiẹ̀ lè fi trace like anything please.
Inú àgbàrá ẹ̀jẹ̀ ló wà.
Oh.
Inú agbami ẹ̀jẹ̀ ni mo ti gbé ẹ. Gbogbo aṣọ ẹ ló ń ró kóí fún ẹ̀jẹ̀. Bóyá àwọn nurse rí nǹkan kan àmọ́ kò sẹ́ni tó sọ fún mi bóyá wọ́n rí nǹkan kan.
Àwọn kan tí.
Kò sí nǹkan kan lára ẹ̀. Nǹkan ẹyọ kan tó wà lára ẹ̀ náà ni tó ti wà lọ́rùn ẹ̀ yìí. Ó wà lọ́rùn ẹ̀ nígbà tó l'accident. Ó tán.
Níbo la wá ń lọ sí?
Léèrè o. Ó jẹ́ kí n lọ síta kí n gba apartment fún somewhere else. But from the look of things, pẹ̀lú nǹkan tí Dr. dẹ̀ ṣàlàyé that you need somebody to be talking to and then o máa need èèyàn láti máa relate pẹ̀lú from time to time. So I decide pé kí n mú ẹ wá sí bíbáyìí. Ẹ̀rù ń bè mí gan fúnra mi, mi ò fẹ́ dá fi ẹ́ lẹ̀ because mi ò mọ̀ bóyá àwọn tí wọ́n ń lépa ẹ̀ ńgbà yẹn ṣe máa lépa ẹ̀. And one more thing, can I ask for a favour?
Anything.
Láti ìsinyìí lọ, kò sí anybody tó máa sun ẹkún lọ. Deal?
Deal.
So, let me show you to your room. Yeah, show you to your room.
What is happening in this relationship? I'm not. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Don't touch me! I can't even watch it. Okay. Sit down. I love you. Can you please listen?
Keep quiet.
I'm sorry. I am. Okay. HB. Happy birthday. Can I call you back?
Sit down.
HB. I'll call you back.
Keep quiet. I'm sorry.
Tell me you love me.
Keep quiet.
Can we do it? Can we do it over again? Can we do it? Can we do it over again? Hey, hello? Can we do it? Can we do it over again? Can we do it? Hey,
Sorry.
hello? Can we do it? Can we do it over again?
Keep quiet.
I'm sorry.
Ọ̀rẹ́rìn. Ìyẹn túmọ̀ sí pé o fẹ́ràn oúnjẹ mi nìyẹn.
Your name. Kí lorúkọ yín?
Chris lorúkọ mi.
Thank you, Chris. Ẹ ṣé gan.
Hey. Come on, listen.
I'm very sorry. Oh God, this is the third class Mama funny.
No, don't worry about it. I'll do it.
Where are you going to?
I just want to drop flower from that minute.
Ṣé tòsí ọ̀dọ̀ wa ń bí ni wọ́n wà ní àbí ọ̀nà ilé ọ̀dọ̀ wọn jìn?
No, wọ́n má jìn sọ́dọ̀ wa. Ṣé mọ́tò mẹ́rin ni a máa wọ débẹ̀?
I need to leave now.
Oh, please, can I come with you? I promise I won't make any trouble. Mi ò tiẹ̀ fẹ́ kó jẹ́ èmi nìkan nílé all the time since it's weekend.
It's okay.
Thank you. This one, your face is changing and I don't know, but remember the deal, no crying. So please just take good care of yourself and be fine. Okay. Yes, the
Thank you.
Like a dream I met you here by my side few years ago. Monoja ifetiti ukorira. I keep knocking on your door, but you wouldn't show your green light, so I couldn't go. Oni nkan ti mu nkan re ori gba. Maybe stay, stay with me tonight.
There are a lot of things I'd like to tell you. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan ni mo fẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Àmọ́ kò sáyè. You're my brother. You're my father. You're my confidant. You're my all in all. Gbogbo ìgbà ni mò ń rí ẹ lójú àlá. Ṣé ló dàbí pé mi àti ẹ ṣì wà papọ̀? I can't hold it. I know I betrayed you. And I'm scared. Nítorí Ọlọ́run dáríjì mí for whatsoever thing I might have done to you. I would always miss you. Ojoojúmọ́ ayé báyìí tó máa ń wù mí bí ìpín ká ṣe wà papọ̀.
HB! Happy birthday! Can I call you back? HB!
I hear them. I'm going to pariwo. I hear the screaming of my own voice and I heard some people laughing. No, crying. No, and I keep hearing everything, screaming everywhere. People talking, people, and then I heard myself saying, I love you. I don't know. I keep on hearing things and
Kí ni nǹkan mi tó tún rántí?
nothing. But HB, I do hear myself say HB. Maybe do you know of any place or anything called HB related to HB? I think that HB is something very close to a deal.
As of the last time I checked, pencil ló ń jẹ́ HB.
No. Maybe orúkọ ibì kan tí mo máa ń lọ àbí something very close because I don't know and maybe someone just took it away and people are screaming.
You need láti calm her, okay? Try and go back to bed.
Hey, where are you? Ó sọ pé ó máa tó wálé. I can't find you in your room. Baby, I'm going crazy. As in, orí mi ń dàrú. You were loving and caring to me before I said I do.
Who is there? Come in. What?
Stop me. Mo ní kí n bẹ̀rẹ̀ pé ṣé mo lè wá sùn síbí mọ́jú. Ẹ̀rù ń bà mí mi ò lè sùn. Wọ́n ní pé bóyá mo lè.
Fẹ́ sùn bí?
Please.
Yeah, it's okay.
Thank you.
You want to come close?
Kí ló dé tí àyà yín fi ń já?
Ẹ̀rù ló ń bà mí.
Your heart is beating too fast. Kí ló ń bá yín lẹ́rù?
I am scared as you are. Everything is scary.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for all the troubles I've caused you and I'm sorry for disturbing your night. I'm sorry for all the glasses I've broken. I'm sorry for everything.
Sleep.
And
Good night.
good night.
Coffee tí wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́. Mo rí ẹ bí ipò ní cold. Because bóyá ẹ ṣe wà láyà mi all through the night, you were snoring heavily. O snore débi pé mi ò gbọ́ pátá láàmú mi ring. Yes, no, it's fine. I'm running late and I need to go to work.
Can we, Shirley, sorry, but you're okay to me. Please. Thank you. Father, I want to thank you for the gift of another beautiful day. Most importantly, I want to thank you for the gift of this aunt I'm holding right now. I have seen him smile. It's beautiful. And I've heard him laughing. I think it's beautiful too. I've also listened to the beating of his heart. I know he's not a happy man, but I'm praying and asking for three things. And one is that you please make him happy in his life. He deserves it. And if nobody is turning up for you to use to make him happy, please use me and teach me how to make him happy. And number two, I pray that you please I want to remember everything. I want to know who I was so I can define who I am and choose who I want to become. Chris, tell me your greatest desire so I can pray for you about it.
I pray you don't remember anything.
Is that your wish?
See,
You're tired.
I'm just going to do that in the car before.
Let me help you.
If you need to remember anything, I think you should remember this. See.
Hey, where are you? What is happening? I can't find you. Stop it! Stop it! Baby, I can't even watch you. Okay,
I want to remember.
you were loving and caring to me before I said I do. Oh,
Hello.
You're not a man I used to know.
I'm fine. I'm trying to remember and just worrying for me, dear. You were going to say something, dear. Kí ló dé tó fi fẹ́ kí n rántí?
What is happening in this relationship? I'm not. Stop it! Stop it! Don't touch me! I can't even watch you. Some even said longer for Hey, where are you? Oh, so pé o máa tó wálé. I can't find you. Hey, I'm sorry. Hello? What is happening in this relationship? I'm not going to stop it. Stop it. Don't touch me. I can't even. Okay. Sit down. Before I said I do. Oh, you're not a man I used to know. You wouldn't walk away. No, would you let me go? Money won't be local longer. Some even said longer for Awu fele bunu ojeka ariku. I love you. Can you please listen?
Keep quiet.
I'm sorry. I am. HB. Happy birthday. Can I call you back?
Sit down.
Let me HB.
Keep quiet.
Where's the love we promised? You're not the man I used to know. Please don't touch me, Hey.
Sorry.
Hello? What is happening in this relationship? I'm not. Stop it. I can't even watch it. Okay.
Sit down.
I love you. Can you please listen?
Keep quiet.
I'm sorry. I am. HB. Happy birthday. Can I call you back?
Sit down.
HB. Can we do it over again?
Remember, my name is Joel Yvonne. I was sitting.
Yvonne.
I can't even watch it. Okay.
Sit down.
Baby, hospital. And they came.
Yeah, hello. New boy, hello. Oh, that meeting was. Shey, you won't me? Oh, okay. Oh yes, I can hear you clearly now. Okay. Oh, the pictures. I still have them on my phone. Okay, just come online. I'll send it across here. Alright, come online. Hey, guy. Oh, next up, me by you.
Hey, you're shouting. Hospital level now.
Oh, I'm sorry. Can I?
Sure.
Thank you.
Don't mention.
Why don't you feel for me to decide if you should mention or not?
Why?
He was thanking me.
For
For allowing you to sit here beside me. Otokwe.
I wasn't saying thank you to you. Only Mondu fellow will pay me for network.
So, O deserve thank you rather than a me stranger to allow a lot to joke me. He's your friend. It's normal for him to call you over to sit.
He is not my friend.
What I'm saying is, for me to offer you a seat, I deserve a thank you.
But I said thank you to him.
I'll cut you. Oh, well, I'm Richard, theater student, part 1.
Oh, Chris, engineering department, part 2.
Seriously? Yvonne, theater, part 1. So, department me lower.
Oh, yeah?
Are you serious? I've never seen your face. Oh, you haven't lectured me.
Of course I do.
Oh.
So, here for health registration too?
Maybe, maybe not. I'm here for blood.
Blood?
A genuine, to be precise. You should be ready for your life right now. Hey, don't go! Seriously, you guys should be girls. Sit down, I was just kidding.
But that was too expensive.
Okay, fine. I'm here for blood. A genuine, but not like that. You can sit down. I'm a sickle cell patient, so Mama was to be like on to check somebody donor, but unfortunately for me, I've been here sitting checking for anybody to I'm just hoping they find a donor before death finds me.
Sorry, but have you called home? Like, only ní nǹkan kan tó lè bẹ́ ṣe sí.
Well, tó bá yẹ pé ẹbí àti ará ni wọ́n refer sí as home, I'm homeless. And our parents me to cross over to the other side.
So sorry.
Why should you be any professor?
Well, maybe he's a man of feelings. Life, they say, is a tragedy for them that feel, and a comedy for them that think.
Well then, lucky I think. So I got tired of crying. I'm just here. You
should even be thanking God. Ipe o ma àwọn parents tiẹ̀. Mo wish pé èmi tiẹ̀ ní opportunity láti rí àwọn òbí tó ṣọlọ́kàn ní wá sáyé. But it's so unfortunate that I was barely 2 years old nígbà táwọn parents mi kú. Road accident. It's fine. Same orphan.
Nice to meet you.
Hello? Oh yeah, mo wà ń tà. Yeah, mo ń bá àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi kan sọ̀rọ̀. Okay. So what time is the match? Oh, 4 p.m. Oh, all right. Okay then. All right. Sorry.
I feel sad for you too, but èmi náà ní bàbá mọ́, but mo ṣì ní màmá back home in our hometown. And I'm O positive. If you want blood, I can give you some.
Are you serious or you're joking?
I'm not kidding.
I'll really be glad. Because the commanding lati ṣe ni pé kó tẹ̀lé mi wọlé nsìn wọ́n lè máa run some couple of tests and then you could just go ahead with the blood stuff.
But I'm running lati were very fast. Sorry, money match for 4 p.m. and I can't miss it.
No, I want to take time.
Àbí same match tí mo fẹ́ lọ lọ́nà fẹ́ wò. Arsenal Man U 4 p.m.
Of course.
But unfortunately, mo ti gbàdé níná ní hostel wa.
Oh, hostel ló ń gbé?
Yeah.
Oh, nínà. Fine, okay. I live off campus. I run Jam. You can come work.
Oh, thank you. Ó ṣé gan. Ó tiẹ̀ dà bẹ́ẹ̀. Tó bá fẹ́ máa pass àwọn injections ẹ̀ ń ṣe lára, màá lè jẹ́ ẹsẹ̀ mú.
Nice.
Hey, where are you?
Now it's messy. For the first period, it's quite a game here. For the first
ló tó ń pò yìí nínú bọ́ọ̀sì tó fẹ́ pọ̀ sí ilé ẹ̀yìn.
Ó máa la ṣòjòrò fún ẹ.
Hello, big head. No, it's Richard. Onírẹ̀jà oníkanra.
Anyone, ẹja lè jẹ́.
Okay. You sent anyone. So get out of here. No, I should play a game now. But Mark Bell, so we can still make the evening rehearsal. Alright, bye.
Remember, my cooking takes long.
Oh, oh, that's it on 10 o'clock. I'm at the rehearsal. This one.
What's up, Mac?
Hey, everybody.
Oh, sorry.
So you guys, you've been busy with this thing that you couldn't hear me calling. Hey, what come on pe phone yín látàárọ̀?
You only called once. Ó dẹ̀ pick ẹ nítorí mò ń ná lọ́wọ́.
I called you 6 times. 6 good times. Ni mo pè yín. Kò sí kankan ní méjèèjì tó pick call.
Ugly lifesaver.
No. No. Nina to show you now. You know, I like saving people's names with like opposite in quantity, like ironically. Like cool. Seems you want to see what I saved your name with.
Huh?
But really mean. You know, you have sexy pink lips, so I just decided to.
But still, Onipe on trip from Toripe is handsome, right?
No.
And you also talked about my sexy pink lips. But how do you explain the word asshole?
Thomas say asshole. O mean pe. Could mean anything.
Just give me the phone.
Don't let me give you this.
Because I have to edit the name.
No.
Oh, hold it, please. Give me the phone.
No. Richard, it's not like. Let me just.
You better do the editing. I'm
not editing anything.
Don't edit anything.
Ugly lifesaver. Ugly lifesaver.
It's like my phone. Fine. But that doesn't justify you having the biggest share of the food. It makes sense.
When it is my turn to cook, ma make sure Kemo say new tell me. Ma pin new tell me. Can to do asleep by friend.
Wo, tó bá wọn nǹkan méjèèjì ṣe. Simple, ẹ gbà fọ́gá yín. Torí wọ. Tó bá wọn ẹ. Kó lọ sóúnjẹ ní Mercury. Tó bá ti fẹ́ pín kó lọ pín ní Pluto, whatever. Alala. Wo ló mọ wàhálà kókó rẹ̀ sí. Wo kíní tó jókòó yìí. Ọmọ kó máa ń lò mí. Òun ló máa ń lo gbogbo ẹ̀jẹ̀ ara mi bí omi ojú. So, mo need kí n gba largest share, kí n lè recover. Yvonne, tell am we need this food.
Sure, sorry, we need this food. Wo, àjọ máa pín equally ni, kò sí anybody tó ń gbé ẹni ń gbẹ̀gẹ̀ kan tó ń gbà largest share. What's the rubbish?
Okay, kò sí problem.
Yvonne,
I'm going to you.
Madalu, what John can't tell. Rehearsal is 4 p.m. So nothing.
Rehearsal when here?
For you now. Once of me go, my playlist jáde.
Seriously?
Yes. Èmi ni mo play role Jimmy. Ìwọ ló play role Adele.
Oh my god.
And the rehearsal is 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday.
You guys wait, what is What is it?
Like, okay. A is like play text of cast meta. Really, Chris, you really need to see or read this script. It's so interesting. Like, Nima to full script I got only King read that character. During the audition, I was like, it took everything away from me. I was just so into it. The story is just so. You really need to see the story. Like, it's very interesting.
O ní láti wà ńbẹ̀ ní ọjọ́ yẹn. Ọmọ kan rí pọ̀rẹ́ mi kọ́ dìde bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sunkún. Thank God came wà lórí stage pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. Mi ò bá ti tap baby. Come on. This is just acting. It's not real. O ní láti rí bó ṣe ń sunkún tó ń wa omi lójú báyìí.
But more working you. Being a 3-cast script and 6 weeks rehearsals. She koniwa boring sha.
No, totally boring. Being a 3-cast movie, yourself, Amy, and the other actor, it should be fun and interesting.
Hello. Any another good topic tell us around way?
Alright. I only call him studying. Well, do you know the guy playing the third character?
I don't think I really know the person, but I'm sure he's not a friend. Kodeli Jotawa.
It's not a friend. It's not an enemy.
And the blood is just like that of a goat.
Actually, I be the way. Now manager they manage the blood. Every time Timothy was boundary for me. Timothy daily big comma Kimari Kiri from one junction to another. Train gone from like I don't even understand. Rather I be
Emily where?
Mi ò sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o.
Orí bó eri ni.
Sori wo ọ̀rẹ́ olùdùn. Oúnjẹ ló fi ń ṣeré ìyá jẹ. Kò sí problem. Ṣorẹ́ jẹ́ ewúrẹ́ tó ló gbà yín. Má ever súnmọ́ mi kò fẹ́ béèrè ẹ̀jẹ̀ mọ́. Tó bá ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ báyìí kó lọ sábà tí ọ̀la gègé. Wà á rẹ́ jẹ́ àwọn àgùntàn kódà tètè ewúrẹ́ tó bẹ́tà ju tèmi lọ wà á rí ń bẹ̀.
Jẹ́ ká sọ eléyìí tó jẹ́ òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀. Ìwọ kọ́ ló máa pariwo tó máa sunkún ẹ̀. Ìbọnù kó máa kọ́lé mẹ́ blood Ìbọn please o. Ṣé mo bí ẹ pé kó fún mi lẹ́jẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀?
Mi bọ́ o. Bọ́ wo ẹ̀jẹ̀ torí ẹ̀ mo jẹ́ ń bẹ àwọn èèyàn kiri kí wọ́n wá gbẹ̀jẹ̀ lára. Oh my God. I useless myself.
Anyways, jokes time off. Bàbá tó fẹ́ bá a ṣe aṣọ yẹn, he called me and he said, irú color wo la fẹ́?
Any color?
What's any color? Tell him white.
Why white?
Well, because white is beautiful and attractive. Okay, white. White is my favorite color. So if I pay white, I just like it. I like seeing it around. Since today I pay, meet it alamawo, so it's cool.
White.
Are we friends or like this? Push my way in class. Mama will every time. I think she likes you. Seriously.
Well, I am not noticing that. Because èmi ò ní time fún ẹ̀yin obìnrin àti gbogbo drama yìí.
Come on, Balabai. Oh, need girlfriend though. Let alone find love. I'm telling you, need time driver down be.
And who told you I haven't found one already? Shagombugo. Ìwọ tí wọ́n sọ, tí wọ́n náà bá continue by. O lè má ní boyfriend o.
Hey Joe, how do you mean?
Bí kò máa familiarity all the time. Tí lecture bá ń go on, ṣòro rántí bí ṣe máa fi báírò gùn mi. Calling me ugly names and all that. And even the way you are. Looking so rough.
Sure, I'm not coming from areas and sure, if somebody is coming from areas, sure, show man needs me. And sure, you started it yesterday. Well, how far me? To mama prick me by pen every time. To mama accuse me. What's up with me? And even if I'm not rough, who is going to fall in love with a sick girl like me? Hey. When normal healthy people are there.
Of course someone is going to fall in love with you. Someone who knows that love surpasses looks and ability. A girl might be terrible in cooking. Only man may anything she might even be as rough as you are. Okay, bí èmi ṣe wá ń sìn, tí mi ò notice in pé bóyá èèyàn contribute for me. And that is the reason you have to look good all the time.
First time, that was sensible.
Oh,
you know you're starting now. Sure, you are starting now.
What?
I
don't have
don't pull my hair.
Come on, let me help you. Look at how rough you are.
Also, provide some for me after class. So just for me.
Oh yeah, to tell you that tomorrow is my birthday.
Seriously, Abby?
Yeah, it's my birthday tomorrow.
Thank God it's a Saturday, so I'm go.
And what's so special about that?
Because it's your birthday. And you're my friend. And to your join your bar is this, then we are limited. So it's special.
Whatever. Only nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ fún ẹ náà. What I'm going to tell you on that your so-called special day
So,
which is my birthday.
Nǹkan tó fẹ́ sọ fún mi kọ́ ni pé ọ̀la ni birthday.
Oh yes.
So, nǹkan tó fẹ́ sọ fún mi wà sọ́lọ́ jẹ́ birthday.
Sure, I'm going to tell you tomorrow.
Okay, still making sense?
Oh, making sense.
Oh. The phone is ringing.
Yeah.
Tell me.
I knew it's Chris. You must have been waiting for us.
Hello, Chris. Yeah, sorry, Atimbo. Actually, I was alone now. Somewhere around the library. Yeah. Atimbo and see, má bínú. Okay.
Yes, I'll be so right.
Okay,
So I'm going to do like this.
So, have you taken water today?
I'm not thirsty. I'm fine.
Mo ti sọ fún ẹ láìmọye ìgbà that water is good for the body.
Oh, okay.
Let me get you guys something to drink.
Okay.
Richard. Ọ̀rọ̀ kan wà tí mo fẹ́ sọ fún ẹ.
Why are you looking this serious?
It's actually something serious.
Is it as bad as one kissing his own ass?
Well, I think I'm in love with Chris.
You in love with who?
I'm just scared to tell him because I don't know what he's going to say. And I'm scared. What if he doesn't love me back? But the thing is, it's really affecting me. Sometimes I can't even think straight. At rehearsals, you know, Mutimba took a lot online to me recently. No, prepare King Software. And if you tell me to tell him, I'm going to tell him. And if you think I don't really have to, I'll just keep it to myself.
I think the most dangerous thing in life is procrastinating about the constant desires of your heart. Believing is still here. I can do it any day. Just maybe when that any day will come. So it's better you tell him.
Okay, today is your birthday. I know something going to be for me. Only myself me like your birthday. So, what is it?
I can't really remember. I can't remember.
But you sounded serious, like you're going to tell me today.
Maybe some other time, like when I remember. But now I can't remember.
Okay.
Yeah! Drink time! And game time.
God bless you.
Kick off. Yeah. Aha!
Before we start the game, I have a gift for all of us. Since it's your birthday, so I decided to do this today. It's my small but precious gift. Okay. You pick if you want to be on this team as friends forever. So let's start with that.
Let me start from the ever. I think I'll go forever.
Go forever. I'll go before you go.
Right, and the friend. I started.
So, friends forever.
Forever.
Okay.
Oh.
I know you can, but can you please help me?
Hold on.
So what? Richard.
Yeah!
You know we're not taking pictures. But since we're going to play games, here are the rules. Number 1, when anybody spins this bottle, when the tip turns to anybody, then you're going to tell us a secret about yourself, or you make a wish.
Oh!
My side. Oh. Um, um, only a man with no secret can make a wish right. I wish we three find happiness in life, and may we find love in the eyes of the people that will love us, even much more than we love ourselves. And come what may we remain friends forever.
My wish is that I wish that I have met you a long time ago before now. I wish I knew the two of you a long time ago. Maybe it would have been more fun than this.
Okay. Well, obviously I have never kept any secret from you guys. I think the only thing in my mind that I've not been saying or I've been keeping lately is the fact that I am totally uncontrollably, madly in love with Chris.
See, enough of
Bukunmi, what's my bedroom?
What's it, Remy? Stop, Joe. Enough of nothing pants already here. Just take the water and drink, Joe.
Thank you. Thank you.
So now, I think we should look for some scenes. Copy, try to memorize our dialogues.
Scene 9. Moti carry on line scene.
Okay.
Adele walks close to the door, opens, and still surprised to find him standing there. She speaks with a broken heart. Let me just try now. My best and worst moment I had with you. I was all alone here in my heart, waiting for you, hoping that one day you're going to come knocking on the door of my heart, and that I'll gladly open to you. You made me wait all day. The only thing you made me do was watching the sun rise and set. Funny you came all night, sitting right by my side. But the only thing you did was made me count the stars with you. We did it again and again, over and over again. But the door of my heart you never knock. Would it be right if I walk away, leaving you here all alone while you count the stars? Richard.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. If only I had the chance to let you know that all those times we sat side by side counting the stars, that my heart wasn't really with the stars. It was somewhere looking for pathway to the true door of your heart. Your heart seems to be far away, and I don't know how to get there. Alas, I found the door, but a bit late. And then I couldn't knock, because I know I wouldn't find you in there anymore.
Richard, I am lost. Cotton goes in a way. Oh, won't try to check later. Oh, Cotton was serious. Cotton goes in a way now.
Seriously.
I think my phone is vibrating. Oh, HB.
Oh, okay.
Hello. I'm fine. Yeah, our name is not my regular place at my Shiriaza. Plenty. I took bread and tea. This idiot gave me the money. Don't mind him, Joe. Oh, to that go Yazaru. Because he try to carry lines. Oh, that lines. Oh, rubbish. Okay, I'll give him the phone.
What's up? Ah, oh boy, now look here, I do. Why I no go cheat? Ṣé nígbà tí ó yẹ ká lọ jẹ lunch, tí eléyìí hold me down tó ní ká má ṣe rehearsal. Oh, when are you going to be done with your classes? Oh, really? Oh, you know what? Oh, jẹ́ kí n sáré deal pẹ̀lú ìyá àjẹ́ ìtàn.
Wo la jẹ?
Oh,
Sọ
yes.
fún pé.
Oh, yes. Oh, okay.
Májì.
Bye. Tá àgbàlagbà méjì bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ ìgbé máa ń dá.
Ṣé àgbàlagbà ni wọ́n?
So, ṣé mo wá ju ẹ lọ? Hey, and lest I forget, what is the meaning of HP?
Well, HB means my heart beats. Heart beats to a very clear today. Why are you looking at me like that? You're making me feel shy.
I keep knocking on your door, but you wouldn't show your green light, so I couldn't go. Only nǹkan tí mú nǹkan rẹ̀ ń orí gbà. Baby, stay.
I know you're missing me.
No. Seriously.
I know, I'm missing you too.
I'm doing it.
It's just gonna be 2 weeks, no doubt. But Shura company is quite important, and I need their profile to add to my project in my shop.
You don't want to tell you.
Just one. I mean, don't worry. But I hope you guys are almost done with your project too.
Actually, Mushu, I need chapter 2. Mushu, I cannot kill myself, Jerry, and especially now, I want to play a ferry stage A for the VC's birthday. And the director said they want we, the same old cast, to come and do it.
Anyway, I just came to take them all because I'm running late already.
Oh, I mean, not miss it, no, actually. Okay, I want to compare it. I won't miss it. I'm not joking.
Oh, dear, I don't know what this Mr. Ibrahim Abiklokore, I don't know what he wants. Oh, call direct. Hey, nígbà tí a put stage in part 1. Oh, come my wasi and sing. Oh, my chain blocking, so my shaby way. I am tired though.
Don't mind him. It's not even easy going back to all those walking lines. When some few others are almost done with that project.
Abi. I should rather couch.
Oh, Chris.
No, don't.
Bobo. Did you just call me baby? Oh, guys. I hope you are not gay now.
I saw that coming.
Oh yeah, we are fine. We are just battling with some lines. Good for you that you miss me, but I only miss you little. Because Yvonne has been a very good cook.
Tell him more.
Yeah, she's here. Put him do already. Okay. Oh.
Hello, sunshine.
I bet.
I'm fine. So, why go to Shemani láti padà? Meeting 7th of May. Please. You go to miss performances several times, and this is the last time. This is the last chance for you to watch it. So you're going to miss it again. Alright, fine, no problem. Of course I'm good. Just missing you. I love you too. I guess you missed the call while calling. It was unweighted. I don't know what you mean.
Vivian. She's still gonna say the same thing she said yesterday and day before yesterday. Like, hello, I'm just checking on you. See, I'm tired of hearing those stuff.
Richard!
And what is that?
Richard, when are you going to have a girlfriend? Stop being nonchalant about all these girls and everything.
Maybe, just maybe when I find a girl like you.
And what is the definition of a girl like me?
Someone who would always make me happy anytime she's around. Someone I can always pull her hairs. Someone I can always squeeze her nose. And someone that will keep jumping on my shoulder now and then. And
someone who knows that every day that breaks brings her closer to her grave. Someone who can't live a straight and healthy life, even just for a month, without doctor's prescription or visiting an hospital? Richard, you will never find a girl like me. You find a girl better than I am. You deserve the best thing life could ever offer because you're one of them. Please stop thinking like this.
You are too. See, anytime I look at it, it is not really the empty life that counts. Even if it is not long enough. But a life that is more memorable. A life that you can look back and smile. Yvonne, Shuri, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ẹ̀dá ló wà láyé tó jẹ́ pé they are healthy but still wọ́n kú every day. And ọ̀pọ̀ dẹ̀ ló wà tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n fojoojúmọ́ ṣàìsàn ni. Táwọn èèyàn ti rò pé bóyá wọn ò ní pẹ́ kú but still wọ́n pẹ́ kọrin kése. Live life to the fullest. Stop living your life based on general belief. Live your life based on what you believe. Believe you are healthy. Believe you are fine. And believe you are the best that could ever happen to any man. Me like thinking it. Honestly, I don't like it. But I don't like it.
I really can't wait to become an actress. So. Like the zeal is so tight, so high, so...
No wonder you picked it as the first and second choice.
What camera about it?
What?
She fine.
What? Ontikule. When you were doing my Kotikule, Abby, Ontikule Mora, so you have to Mora too.
She be kekere it's like by blend big wole by.
Come on, and besides, your nails are not really dead.
To buy you know I don't keep rough nails unless I've not been happy for a long time. Because on a normal day you always see me with nice nails. It's my selling point.
I know, what's up there?
No, Mama, if I go, Mama, need gone here.
What's that?
Ọ̀rẹ́ olórí ńlá. Hello, big head.
Hey, darling, how are you?
I'm fine.
You know I'm coming back tomorrow?
I can't wait to see you too.
So, kí ló fẹ́ kí n bẹ́ ra?
Biscuits, cake, ice cream.
What's the problem? Yeah, say, boo mi kejì wà ńbẹ̀.
Okay, my boyfriend.
Oh boy.
Can you walk away níbi tí Yvonne wà?
What did he say? Hello? Oh. Hello? Chris, hello?
Yeah, smart guy.
Oh yeah. I'm a bit far from her now.
If you're sorry for ọ̀kan lọ ẹni. So feel pé is a good idea if I propose to Yvonne tomorrow.
Well, if you think you're really ready for it, then you can.
Oh, good. So, kilo feel he can present a gold or a silver ring.
Anyone. And I'm sure she will be the happiest being on her tomorrow.
Thank you.
All right, be good. Eh? So I'll see you tomorrow.
All right.
Or you shouldn't have removed it in the first place.
I'm sorry, Nigel.
Is Chris aware that we are in your place?
Yeah, I called him already.
Okay. So...
Oh, yeah. Now we're going to run the lines without the script. I think I have my lines. This time, no cheating, no peeping into the script, and no lies. Mommy, straight.
It's okay, Joe.
Uh-huh.
So, fine. Action. I used to believe this is not right. But the fact that you might be carrying my baby would make me feel safe. And I deliberately didn't use condom last night.
But, you know, we can fool all of the people some of the time, or even fool some of the people all of the time, but we can't always fool all of the people all of the time. What if he gets to know I'm pregnant, or I eventually get pregnant for you? Well, maybe I'll just abort it, or just make him believe it's baby. Because it wasn't part of the plan that we were going to get pregnant.
But it is
Whoa, I do it for them. What is it?
Oh yes. What song should I play for this beautiful moment?
I am not asking you to marry me for the rest of your life. I'm just saying, please, let me love you for the rest of my. Please marry me, bro.
Oh yeah! Oh my God!
Oh my God! I'm so tired.
Same here, Yvonne.
Yeah?
I want to ask you for something. Will you do it for me?
Well, as long as it makes you happy, I'll do anything for you.
1 minute.
Kidele.
It is not harmful. During cotton will allow me. Òun ló so ìyá àti bàbá tó bí mi lọ́mọ papọ̀. Èmi náà wá gbà láti mo fẹ́ kúrò nílé. Tó bá jẹ́ pé àwọn lò ayé wọn dẹ̀dà. Ohun èmi náà kí n lò so that I can spend the rest of my life with my wife happily.
Okay. If this is going to make you happy and put your mind at rest, I'll do it for you.
Thank you. Now you say after me. I will always respect you.
Ivan, I will always respect you.
Obey you.
Obey you.
Will never argue with you.
I will never argue with you.
Whatever happens in this marriage.
Whatever happens in this marriage.
Stays with us and between us.
Stays in this marriage and between us. And if I do otherwise, may my life be miserable, may my roads be rough, and may I not see the light of another day. Are you happy now?
Sealed.
Sealed.
Do that.
Your food is ready. Taken by server became Oluwasina.
I am not hungry. Ẹ tó lọ sọ fi ṣe ẹni. Kí tó kọ nífẹ̀ẹ́ kó máa nìyàn lára. Ṣé àárẹ̀ tó ṣe ó ti jẹ gbogbo ó ti jẹ wọnú àárẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé o mọ̀ tẹ́bí ò bá pààyàn àbí tẹ́bí bá pààyàn.
Ṣé o máa dúró wákàtí tí mo lò nínú kitchen yẹn tí mo ń prepare oúnjẹ knowing fully well that it's your favourite? Àbáwò kan ṣe máa jókòó síbi tó máa sọ fún mi pé ebi ò pa ẹ́.
Kí ló kọ́ mi pẹ̀lú gbogbo wàhálà tó ṣe? Ẹ̀wọ̀ bó ṣe ń làágùn bí ẹran tó fẹ́ lọ pàjẹ́. Ẹ̀wọ̀ bó ṣe ń sun mi. Few days now wàá break down. You look like some kind of vampire. Wàá máa wá human blood káàkiri. Èmi ni màá ti máa sáré èèyàn kiri. Don't torí Ọlọ́run. Don't cook my food. Don't touch my clothes. Don't come close to me. And I am done with this conversation.
Chris, I am your wife. And láti bàtà ti ṣègbéyàwó. Chris, you don't eat my food. You don't allow me to touch your stuff. You don't touch me, let alone I touch you. Like, I am your wife. You are my husband. It is my duty to do all these things.
I said I am not interested.
You can't tell me you're not interested in this conversation.
I am your wife! And it's my duty to wash your clothes, cook your food, and do all these things!
How dare you raise your voice at me?
Ṣé mi ló pariwo?